Today we got Lexus is250 alternator. Now this one's a little tricky. You got the two in the front, pretty easy, tensioner, all that. There's a bracket way down in here. And I'm gonna show you how to get. Yeah. So when you first start this, these little clips right here, you always push the center in first. Push it down, you hear it click, and then it comes right out. Don't try to just pry it out without pushing the center, and you're gonna break them all. So before you do all there, always take the negative off. Alright, next, down here, 14 with like a little extension to get that. Another 14 up here. Those are two main bolts holding it. So do this with a 14. Take the tension off. Take this off with a 14. Alright, next we got a 10 right here for the main power wire going in on an extension. Get that down in there. Take that off. Don't lose the bolt. Next you got the plug. It's going to be facing this way. You want to press down here and pull it. It's kind of tight. It's kind of hard to do. If you got really big hands, I don't know what to tell you. You're going to want a 12 deep and an extension going way in the back here. You put your hand in there, you can kind of feel the bracket. There's a 12 millimeter. Once I get it out here in a second, I'll show you. Okay, so this part's kind of a pain in the ass. I mean, the whole job is. So this wire needs to go around the back, so it's not under it. So you can squeeze it out towards here, just enough to wiggle it. And you kind of got to pry here, pry here, pry here, pry here a little bit till it has enough play, till it's down under this bracket right here, and then you got to work it forward. Try to do this without taking the compressor off. Alright, then get this off up to the side so you can pull it up out of here. Okay, get it right here, hold that up. It's hard to do this with two hands. Hold this bracket up. There, the harness. Pull that piece of shit out. So on the bottom, what I was talking about, that's how that sits right there, and that's that bolt you gotta get in the back. And that's why I charge an extra like $200 just pulling this thing out, because it's so tight in there. So basically just line the other one up, put those two bolts. You really don't need that stupid bracket. It's such a waste of time. Put the plug on, connector, and then the belt and all that. When we're done with that, I'm going to show y'all how to check it, be sure it's working right. We got it running now. I don't have my multimeter, but I got this. Turn the lights on, the radio, AC, all that shit. Should be somewhere in like the 13.5 or higher charging. It's like 12.5, 12.7, you know, anywhere in the 12s, like it's not good, it's not working.